So I had an interesting question today. It is, am I missing out if I don't buy a home now? I mean, it's really tough to say that. I don't have a crystal ball. What I will tell you is in the Charlotte area, we have roughly 100 people a day moving here. We can make the argument that our properties are actually undervalued. The economy is very strong, even through the COVID era. The interest rates are super low, and the expense of living here is actually pretty low here as well. We have a very strong transportation system as well. So it's tough for me to say if you're missing out or not. I would say this. So let's just say you spend $2,000 a month for 3 years renting a property. So not including your deposit, that's $72,000 that you have spent renting a property, and you're going to get none of that back. So you've spent a tremendous amount of money doing that. And I mean, let's just say the market doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't appreciate. It doesn't depreciate. It just stays the same. You could be putting that into equity in your home. Whenever you sell that, you're going to realize a good portion of that back. Now, there are preparations that you need to take into consideration when buying. You do have to have a down payment, of course, whenever you're buying a home. You do have to have strong credit, a strong job, and employment history, stuff like that. But it really is tough for me to say whether you're missing out or not. I would say that the interest rates are historically low. I don't see them going down any further, and that makes such a huge difference in how much you pay for your home during the life of the loan. So, if you have questions about it, I'd rather talk to you about specifics. My team would rather talk to you about your given situation and see if it's a good idea for you. And of course, we'll give you honest opinion. If it's not the best idea for you, we'll tell you, hey, wait for a little while. If it is the best decision, well, of course, we'll tell you, hey, we'd love to have the opportunity to help you. So let us know what we can do to help you further and how we can help you with your real estate needs. And again, this is Steve Muller. I'm the owner of the Advanced Realty Professionals team of